Okay, guys, today I'm going to make one of my favorite comfort foods, spaghetti with hot dogs. And I'm going to try this new gadget to cut up the vegetables. It's a full star 9-in-1 onion chopper. I heard that it can do a lot of different things. I just got it for the chopper feature to dice. Maybe slice up some boiled eggs. Now, I'm not getting paid for this, so this is not any type of sales pitch. I'm trying to make my life easier when it comes to cooking, make things go faster. So I'm gonna put this together. Okay, there's a latch here that you pull up, and then you slide this down and it locks. And then these are the blades. From what I understand, they're very sharp, so I definitely need to be careful. So I'm gonna slide this in like this and then lock it. Okay. All right. We're gonna see how it works out. Wish me luck. All right, so of course now you have to prepare the vegetables. So I'm gonna grab some onions here. Gonna grab some onions. I have I think 4 big onions, 2 small ones. And these are shit. Why did I tell you? These are Nathan 100% beef, skinless, bun length, 24 beef franks. It's a 3-pound family pack. I don't know if I bought 2 because my husband and my son loves a lot of meat in with the food, so I bought 2 packs of these. I'll see if one is going to be enough. If not, I'll cut up the second one. So this is it here. This is it. And I am satisfied, so let's do it. We're going to do these first. Let's do the hot dogs first. And then we'll do the veggies. Now this isn't made for the hot dogs, but I'm trying to save time. Boy. I don't care. Let's see. Yeah, that'll work. All right. I don't care how this turns out, how hard it is. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. And trust me when I tell you, this is easier than cutting this up with a knife. Clean the blades off. All right, so I'll be back once all of the hot dogs and the onions are cut up. Okay, guys. Now, this is just the hot dogs. And as you can see, even though the onion dicer is not set up to cut up soft product or soft food, it saved me a lot of time. And it did a decent job. Look at that. Now, I am going to I'm making 5 pounds. 5 pounds of Getty. So that I can freeze some. It makes it easy for me during the week when I don't feel like cooking anything, because I take my husband back and forth to work, take him to work, pick him up. Plus I take care of my mom's during the day. So between that and trying to go shopping and keep up with everything, it's kind of hard for me. It makes me tired really easy. So by making this 5 pounds of Getty, and I'll freeze some, and that way if I need a quick meal. Now, I'll still cook during the week, but anytime that I'm too tired to cook, I don't have time to cook, I can just pull it out of the freezer and unthaw it in a microwave. I have one of the largest microwaves that you can buy. That way I can unthaw big bowls of food. And as you can see, this chopper is doing a pretty decent job. It's my preparation before you get to the chopper that's mind-blowing. I mean, it's like watching paint dry. This is the only way to redeem myself from all this time wasted. Here we go. That's pretty good. I know they say put smaller pieces in, but what the hell? I mean, oh, that's the core. I don't want that. That's taking too much time. It's wasting too much time. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break, and I'll come back and I'll show you when it's time to do the peppers. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna try these peppers. Well, they say it's supposed to fit inside of the square. Let's see, is it gonna fit? Oh, it's sticking out. All right, let's try it. Yay! Look at that. Yay, yay. Because of this chopper, I was able to finish this up in 10 minutes. I don't know, guys. this yumminess in here? I don't know. I'm doing 5 pounds of spaghetti. Should I add more? Yes? No? I think you said yes. Okay. Well, even if you didn't say yes, I'm saying yes. I definitely think I need more. All right, guys, I'm gonna wash these. I don't know. That might be enough. Okay, guys, anyway, I'm gonna wash these vegetables and everything. That's what it looks like, all cut up and mixed together. I'm gonna wash them with the hot dogs, get the salt off of everything, and I'll be back. There we go. All right, we're putting some minced garlic in there. A lot of minced garlic. We love garlic over here. Very healthy.
Makes you fart good too.
Everything makes you fart, honey.
Ice water make me fart.
Yeah, that's right. So don't blame it on the garlic.
I ain't blaming nothing on garlic.
All right, so we put some ground cumin seed in there. And some ground thyme. Okay, so this is what it looks like cooking in the skillet, electric skillet. And what I'm making is one of my favorite comfort foods. It's gonna be baked cheesy spaghetti with hot dogs. Don't that look good? Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see. It smells delicious. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that, guys. Look at all those different colors. Now I have all different types, all different ways. Okay, guys, this is what the Getty and hot dogs look like all mixed together in the pot. Here it is, guys, straight out the oven. 5 pounds of spaghetti with hot dogs and cheese. When we were kids, moms couldn't afford ground beef or chicken. Adding hot dogs turned the spaghetti into an old family favorite. Now tell me that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. And here is the Getty and hot dogs all plated up. Doesn't it look delicious? Look at all that gooey cheese on the top. For all you cheese lovers out there, get into it.
Thank you.